Hey everyone, today we're changing the cabin air filter on a 2024 Honda HR-V. Before we start, make sure you've got a new filter and a pair of gloves to keep your hands clean. Step 1. Open the glove box and gently push down to release the damper arm. Step 2. Push the sides of the glove box inward to drop it down completely. Now you'll see the AC filter housing right behind it. Unlock the two side tabs, remove the cover, and pull out the old dirty filter. The old one is clogged. Take your new one, follow the airflow direction, slide it in, and snap the cover back on. DIY super easy, that's it, you're done. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Want the same OEM quality filter? Get it now at FreshenOPT.ca.